guys, and it happened. We got a lot of snow the very next day. I'll show you guys how much snow we got. This is never happened before in Texas, at least not that I can remember. Oh man, look at that, deeper than my foot. Got the little Scion warming up right now. Need to turn on the truck, make sure my batteries are not dying. Let's do a little cold start. Well, that's the first. I guess it's never been this coldest. I don't think it's ever been like in the single digits, at least as long as I lived here. She ain't turning on. Oh man, that sucks. Ever had to take that long to start the truck, but then again, it's never been in the single digits here in Texas. But she's alive. That's funny because the Scion turned on instantly. Now I wonder how the Mustang will turn on. All right guys, now keep in mind this one should turn on. It's on 85, but it should turn on pretty easy. I mean, it's since it was indoors. It's gonna happen. I wanted to entertain you guys. I wanted to do some donuts and do some stuff here, but it ain't gonna work. Check this out. I can't even, it's like a tiny little hill and I can't make it up. It keeps sliding that way. See, if I were to keep going, I'm gonna hit the fence, so probably not gonna work out. I'm gonna try one last time. If not, I'm putting the car back inside. Alright, got it to work. Now I just gotta get my dogs in to make sure I don't hit one of them. That is not gonna work. Oh man. So I'm trying to drive through here into the back and do some donuts there, but I can't. Yeah, I can't even make it out of here. You can't do donuts on the snow with slicks. It is just way too slippery. So let's see if I can manage to put this car back in the garage. Oh God.
How's the weather?
Yeah, the weather ain't too good. Well, I was able to get the car back in, but scared my baby with the burnout. That sucks. Check this out, you guys. I mean, so you can't do donuts with slicks in the snow. The car just doesn't want to move anywhere, or at least not this much snow. I tried to take big girl over here out to get some footage for you guys, and let's just say that the roads are way too slick. I had it on 4-wheel drive and I was still sliding everywhere. I wasn't really I was able to brake traction with all, you know, with all the 4 wheels, but so whenever you brake and the truck keeps sliding forward, that's when it becomes a big problem. So when I got to the front of my house, I tried to do a 4-wheel drive launch and record that for you guys so you guys can see all the 4 wheels spinning, but as soon as I hit the gas, the camera died. And I'm gonna go ahead and take that as a sign that I need to just go ahead and call it a day, and that's it. Sometimes whenever things don't start going your way and they keep not going your way, it's a sign to just chill out and you know, just play it safe. So I'm gonna put the truck in the backyard, try to see if I can do a launch, and that'll be it for the video, you guys. So after this, that's probably all I'm gonna be doing with this whole snow and ice thing, because I think I'm pushing my luck at this point by not hitting the fence or hitting something here, or you know, if I go out in the street wrecking. So this is gonna be the last snow video, and we'll get back to the super videos on the next one. Later.